Hello dear student, this is Sajjad Ahmed Khan, your online English teacher and the founder of Brilliant English Academy. Dear student, you know, on poetry, there are two questions are likely to be asked in examination. So dear student, first question is of 10 marks and second question on another poetry, it is for 4 marks. It is also asked for appreciation. So dear student, you can learn the appreciation of each and every poem. So let's turn toward the appreciation of the poem Song of the Open Road. What is the nature of the questions? Here I explain you. Write the appreciation of the poem Song of the Open Road on the following points or on the given points. What kind of points are given there? किस तरह के points दिए जाएंगे? Point number 1, about the poem or about the poet or about the title, about the theme and about the poetic style, about the language, about the poetic device used in the poem or rhyming words or rhyming scheme used in the poem, and about the message or about the moral of the poetry. So let's learn today the appreciation of the poem Song of the Open Road with the help of given points. Point number 1, about the poem, poet and the title. The poem is Song of the Open Road. It is a beautiful poem composed by the famous poet of America, Walt Whitman. This poem explain about the journey that gives us knowledge, information and lifelong experiences about the person and places. Second point, title. The title is very apt and explain the theme of the poem Song of the Open Road. Dear student, and it also symbolizes the journey of the people or a common man in a free and fearless atmosphere and liberty and fraternity with the fellow travelers. And what is the theme? The poet considered life is a journey, we are a traveler, and our destination is our goal or aim in life. While reaching to the destination and achieving our goal, we should have freedom and fun to achieve it. We should also learn from our mistakes, solve our problems during the journey of life, and don't hesitate, don't be afraid with any kind of situation or problems that we had face day to day in our life. And what is the style? The poem is a dramatic monologue. What is a dramatic monologue? Where the speaker or the poet reveals the characters that describe or a series of events or geographical locations and ups and downs in a life. It is a long and narrative poem. The next point is poetic devices. Which kind of poetic devices used in this poem, A Song of the Open Road? Mostly transfer epithet is used in this poem, or other poetic devices like alliterations, metaphor or personification are also used, but mostly transfer epithet is used largely by the poet. Just we have an example. What are the example of transfer epithet here? Look at here. Wonderful days, cruel bars and sleepless nights are some examples. And what is the message of the poem? Life is a journey and we are a traveler and our destination is our goal where we want to reach. We should face sun and showers, but don't be quit. And we must remember to be happy always and contented in all kind of circumstances or situation. What is your opinion about the poem? Walt Whitman, a great national poet of America, teaches us through his poem love and wisdom, peace and happiness, destiny and life. Hope you understand the appreciation of the poem and you like my presentation too. So dear student, for such kind of videos, do like and subscribe my channel Brilliant English Academy and press the bell icon. I am waiting for your like and comments. Thank you very much. This is Sajjad Ahmed Khan signing off here. Thank you very much.